Today, it's Friday the 13th, and I'm testing me luck by working on the BA Falcon. I'm doing a trans flush. There's a couple of things I noticed here that you got to watch out for when you're doing this job, if you're an all thumbs bum like me. But if I can do it, anybody can. First thing is the clips for the trans filter. Come with me. Now I was able to find, and I hope you can see this, a description in the Ford workshop manual of where these clips go. So you put in the longest leg on this side first and it clips up into here. It's real hard to see. And then you put your other clip in over here. You might need some mechanical advantage there because it's real strong clip. Pops off real easy, and it pops off and you can't see where it goes back into. I thought it went into here, but I was wrong. But I was lucky I could find it, so I bloody made a video for you. Now, a bit of gymnastics, not bad for an old bloke. The other trick is this. With your gasket, right, it's asymmetric. So it can only go on one way, but you might think it could go on two ways. So if you line it up with that ridge, with this ridge on the gasket top, I'll show you that better. So if you line it up with this ridge on the gasket top into there, it looks like it lines up. Get everything there. Then all of a sudden these two holes aren't right. So they've made it all thumbs bum proof. Invert the gasket. Make sure this lip here goes on the inside of your transmission pan. And look, everything lines up. And then you can put your bolts. So let me get a better view of this. See if I can. I haven't got any staff to do this for me. You can put your bolts through here. And it bloody holds them in place. I got this tip from Brownie's garage. It holds all the bolts in place there, so it makes it easy to put the pan back on when you're lying underneath the car because you haven't got a bloody hoist in your joint, because you haven't got enough likes from all your fans to monetize your channel. All right, thanks Brownie, good on you mate. I put a couple extra magnets in there because I only put one in the stock unit. See here, shallower at the rear of the pan, deeper at the front of the pan. The instructions that come with the filter recommend you drop the front of the pan first. Everybody I've seen online is dropping the back. I dropped the front. It was not that messy. You know, if you're dropping the back, you're holding a lot more oil. Well, not a lot more, but you're holding a bit more oil there. So, you know, just try and help us out. It wasn't too messy when I did it. And that's a first. One other thing is you need a little tiny baby little torque wrench with a quarter drive on it to put the trans pan bolts back in. It's only 6 Newton meters. So be careful you don't over tighten them, and give them a clean too, because there's a bit of road grime around there. You don't want to strip one of them threads, eh? So it's a public service announcement from the All Thumbs Bum. Just in case you're having dramas getting your oil filter in like I did, I thought, well, I better look after the fans out there, better look after the BA Busted Ass Falcon crew. So there you go. Thanks for tuning in. If this has helped you, give us a thumbs up. It helps. See you mates.